name's Garrett. I work for Bureau Happold Engineering, based in Dubai, and very much I've worked on the Museum of the Future project for the last 2.5 years. They will be used to exhibit innovative technologies, the latest thinking, future innovations. So the calligraphy on the external of the building is a series of poems or statements that have been written by Sheikh Mohammed himself. And the calligraphy is also the windows. So actually the natural daylight will go inside the building, and then at night when it's lit up, the light will shine out through the windows. On the Museum of the Future, we've really needed to push the boundaries of our sort of visualization. Everything in this project has been developed in 3D models, which has made it really great to be able to visualize the spaces, to be able to see what the building will actually look like. I think in this particular project, we are changing the way that future projects should be done. If you really adopt through BIM technologies, BIM thinking, three-dimensional modeling, it will get to a point where you just can't imagine not having that level of capability.